For Darren Williams and the team at lntegriBuilt Roofing, a job well done is all that matters. And that's why they've been able to thrive in business for over 30 years.
We work in all sectors of roofing. We work on large new construction projects. We work in commercial and multifamily properties. And frankly, we have a lot of experience in the residential divisions. That's where we started. We've been working with residential homeowners for years and years.
The roofing industry is lightly regulated. That means that a contractor doesn't need a license to go into business. And they don't need insurance or formal training either.
In Texas, there are no requirements to be a roofing contractor. There's no insurance requirements, there's no license requirements, there's no training requirements. Frankly, anyone that decides they want to be a roofing contractor can say they're a roofing contractor. And for the customer, what that means is it's really buyer beware. You've really got to know who you're hiring, you've got to know who you're working with and what their credentials are. Because in a lot of ways, it's the Wild West. As far as the state goes, anything goes.
I think overall, mainly our reputation and, how much experience we have here as a team at lntegriBuilt, well over 100 years of roofing experience. And just our overall, name, and we're a trusted company that's been established for many years. We're very established. We've been here for a long time. We literally have thousands and thousands of customers. We stand behind our work. The customers, they can feel confident that if they ever do have a problem, all they have to do is pick up the phone and call us, and we're going to be there for them each and every time.
lntegriBuilt Roofing provides customers with quality service, and that matters to the bottom line. Over 70% of their business comes from referrals from prior happy customers.
Exactly what's in their name, honestly, integrity. They just all around are a five-star company from service through their workmanship. I will refer them time and time again because I think they're the best, because honestly, they make me look good in my job, they make my clients happy, but on a personal level, they make me happy and they make me feel like I know the work that they're doing on my house.
I love the roofing business because of the opportunity that we get to really help clients get a great solution to their project, a great end to their project, when frankly a lot of people are expecting stress and they're expecting challenges. So what we get to do is we get to come in and really wow them with a customer experience that is straightforward, that's honest, and is centered around solutions. And we deal with great people, from our team to our customers to our referral partners. It's really just a great opportunity to work with great people.
To find out more about lntegriBuilt Roofing, visit lntegriBuiltRoofing.com and designingspaces.tv.